Needless to say, I keep her check. She was all bad, nevertheless. Calling it quits now, baby, I'm a wreck. Crash at my place, baby, I'm a wreck. Needless to say, I keep her check. Alright, welcome to the channel. How you doing? My name is Joe Suddick, and today we have a really special one. We're going to be learning Sunflower, Post Malone Swae Lee. Absolutely huge track from the Spider-Man film. Check out the link below for the JS Guitar Lab. I am very excited. I'm going to be launching a brand new guitar course, but in celebration, I'm inviting you to come join me for a 1 hour free guitar lesson. That's right, a 1 hour free guitar lesson. So all you need to do, hit that link, and you just type in your email address and your name, and then you're good to go. Come join me on the 13th of September for a free guitar lesson, and come to check out the course as well. Right, so let's dive in. So, first of all, we're going to start off with our left hand, our fretting hand, and first of all, we've got a standard D chord. So, we're going to place our first finger on a G2, second fret on the G, middle finger's then going to go on then. So now this is a big thing with D. Whenever you see the shape, don't go first, third, middle. It's actually much harder to get into the chord. It's actually better to go index finger on the G second fret, middle finger's on then the E, the high E second fret, and then the ring finger is on B on the third fret. And then when you're strumming, you don't strum the E string, you don't strum the A string, you're going to strum the bottom four. Like this, and there's your D chord. Make sure you've got nice fingertips. If your hands are flat like this, and you're getting this sound, all you need to do is very simple. Drop the wrist down, and there you go, there's your D chord. The next chord is then G, so then we're going to go for a full G. If you struggle with a full G, or this is a brand new song and you've never done a G chord before, go for a nice easy G if you're finding this really difficult. Or you do easy G, it's just, you can pick any finger really. I go for middle, and you're going to put it third fret on the high E string. You then miss out again, the E and the A. Boom, there's your easy G, just like that. Then we're going to go over to chord 3, which is our E minor. So we're going to put our index finger on, I always start with the first finger, and we're going to go then A2, A second fret. Middle finger is then on D, also on the second fret. So the fingers, get them to hug. Put the thumb behind the neck, nip nice and hard, use your fingertips. Strum all 6 strings. You don't miss any strings for this one. And then what you do is you go back to G. If you're doing easy G, one finger, bring it back to that high E string, and you miss out on E and A. If you're doing a G, 3-finger G, doing it like this. If you're daring enough, but if you also know how to play guitar and you're learning this for fun, go for a 4-finger G like this. And so then what I'm doing for a 4-finger G, it is a E, and that's third fret. Index finger is then A, and that's second fret. Ring finger jumps to B, that's third fret. And then the little finger is then on our high E, and that's on the very bottom. If you're not sure about your string names, I'm going to say it again. It's from the top, or from that thick string to thin. It's E, A, D, G, B, E. I'm going to say it again. This is my favourite way of remembering it. Eddie, A, Dynamite, Goodbye, Eddie. Oh, classic. It's a straight classic. Yeah, absolute classic. Eddie, A, Dynamite, Goodbye, Eddie. So there's our chords. So we have, of course, D. We then have G, whichever way you like to play it. E minor. And then we're back to G. And that loop is the whole song. There is one part in the middle where it says Scared of Being Alone, and we're going to do a single strum on D. And you hold that for 8 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you hold G for 8 counts. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you go back to the sequence. Back to D, G, E minor, G. But that's not until the middle of the song. So the whole song is D, G, E minor, G. Now, the strumming pattern. So this is our right hand, or if you're left-handed, your left hand. This is your picking hand. And what we're going to be doing is this. This is a really nice way, especially something that's hip-hop inspired. This is a really nice strumming pattern. We're going to go down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down, down. And you do 2 lots per chord. So for D, we're going down, down, up, down, down. That 2 times. Same we go with G. Same pattern, down, down, up, up, down, down, and that's going to go 2 times. E minor, I'm going to go down, down, up, up, down, down, and then we're going to go back to G, again 2 times on the E minor, and then go back to G, down, down, up, up, down, down, and then you do that 2 times, and that is our sequence. So it sounds like this. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down. And it's a really, combine the two, really good chord sequence mixed with a really funky strumming pattern. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. And I'm going to say that that's it, because that is it. However, if you're struggling with your downs and ups, which sometimes that is the case, a really big thing is to stick to the pattern. And this is my best tip on how to get really good at strumming. What you do is you get your phone, you put a timer on for 10 minutes. And what you're going to do is very simply just sit there on a loop and get this in your head, and you're going to go like this. Just hold one chord, which in this case I'm going to go for a D chord. And I sit there and I go down, down, up, down, down. And I take it really slowly and I play that on a loop. Because the main thing you need to realize is that by going slow, understanding is more important than just rushing. So now we're just going to go nice and slow on a loop. So you go down, down, up, down, down, repeat. Down, down, up, down, down, repeat. Down, down, up, down, down, repeat. If you lose it and you get your strumming, just count yourself in 4 and bring it back. So down, down, up, down, down. Let me demonstrate. So down, 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 down. Oh no, 2, 1, 2. So count yourself back in, and you keep doing this. And it's all about integrity, keeping it the same every single time. By doing that, you're going to be a strumming machine, and that's also going to make it easy for you. And you sit there and you strum that pattern. And then what happens? Your alarm goes off after 10 minutes and you drop it and leave it alone. Then what happens is then you come to play your guitar later, or you come to play it the next day, and what happens is then you start to do it automatically. The minute you can do it automatically, you start to speed up. And woo! Suddenly, before you know it, you're absolutely funky. Here's the thing, if it doesn't happen in 10 minutes, it's not a big deal. Do another 10 minutes, and do you know what? Each time you're doing it, you're programming your hand, you're programming your fingers to actually get the chord how you want it to sound. So here is our final take. So it's down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, change to G. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, E minor. And G. Yeah! And there is Sunflower by Post Malone Swae Lee. My final tip for you is very simple, is if you're finding it difficult with the chord changes, just take your left hand, put a timer on for 10 minutes, very simple, take your D chord, 1, 1, 2, 3, like this with our fingers, go to G, go to E minor, back to G, and you roll it around again, and you just keep doing that for 10 minutes, and before you know it, it gets suddenly really easy and you can't help yourself, especially if you keep it the same every time. 1, 2, 3, one finger, 1, 2, 3. Let's say if you're doing a normal G, like this, I'm still doing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Guaranteed it's going to get you there. So thank you so much for watching. Hit that like and subscribe, and comment what you found easy about this tutorial, anything that you're finding difficult about guitar playing. Hey, is there a song that you'd like to learn? Let us know and pop it in the comments, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.